Hi, welcome to Twitter's Funny channel. In our last class, we saw how to view the record. So we have completed the list. So here the list, we have to get the data. We have to load the data from the database and get the data using the set method. We have set it and passing to the our J table. So we have to passing to the J table. So how to pass into the J table we see. Right, we have to pass into the J table. We'll see. Right, so here this is our target. Name, id, name, date, anything is a let's go to the database mysql workbench. This our table complete, but you have to one more column you have to edit as a complete. So you have to right click, table content, columns, you have to write another column, complete. Right, perfect. Right, now perfect. Now let's go to the source. I'm going to first you have to declaring the first you have to create the method which is a public void, public void load table. Load table. You have to write default table model, table model m equal new. You have to write this one. You have to make it here. You have to cast it. You have to add the class import this one. So you have to write the table which name is J table 1. Copy this. Control C to copy this. Back to the source, you have to paste it. Dot get model. Dot get model. That's it. Now here what the error here it's asking. Alright, return, right, it's no problem. It's returning. Right. After that what I'm going to do is here we have to write the same dot set row count 0. Default table model. Right, so after that we have to write a list or a tag. This one you have to make it as list. Now you have to write it here, open and close a bracket. You have to write here tm dot get id comma tm dot get name comma tm dot get amount comma tm dot get amount get date, right? So you have to pass a get date comma tm dot get complete. Here write on is complete. It's not get complete, it's complete. I think is complete, right? That's the thing, you have to write it. So we have to write like this. So after that we have to colon. After that you have to write we have to write it's call it to this object m dot add row, call this row. That's the thing we have to write it. So that's the thing you have to write it. Now let's check it whether it's working fine or not. This one, this load method, you just copy it, paste inside here, paste inside here. Now let's run and check it. Target, that's a problem. Get all, the connection is null. Which connection is null? Right, the problem is there is a database connection. You have to make it as a, you have to change it as a public also private. You just change it as your earlier you write public static connection con, you write static. It automatically takes as a private, these all things, right? After that you have to write the same thing, connection object, your driver, you have to write the driver over here. This driver also we have to call it here. Okay, that's a problem. The driver here separate here, you have to write the class and call it here. The same thing, you have to return the connection. Right, that's the thing is the error will be displayed. Now here, now if you have opened the program and you have to target, here it's working perfectly well. Right, the simple stuff you have to do it. Right, so the ID is why its ID is not working. We look at the database is working. ID column. Right, ID why it's not working. Go to target ID. Here's a model. The model also we have to return whatever we have to hint it is of the int. The get ID. Right, the problem is here. This is not a get set name, it's a get, this is not a game here, it's a problem is here, set ID. Right, that's the problem. Okay, now it's here to get as get int. That was a problem. Okay, first you have to understand. Right here. First you have to understand when the problem is come. There are many students are not understanding here. Now it's working properly. Right? First, if you get any error, you just read the error and you can get the solution. Some other students are not reading. Right? So this is how we have complete the project. So we have to do the update and delete part all, search part all the things you have to do it later on. Thank you for watching.